I have found such an adorable container tip this week, and it holds a lot. But look how cute these are. These are stackable. They got a little bit of a little bit magnet. But what that does is it keeps it from tipping over. You know, they have enough magnet. But let me show you what all I have in these things. So in here, the lid opens like this. You don't lose the lid. And in here, I put all of my brads in here. Now, one day when I feel energetic or lazy, whichever one it takes, I may go in here and sort these out more. But this has got all of my little brads. And the reason I wanted these is because I have things on my desk right in front of me where I scrapbook at. And if things are not here, I either have days that I can't get up and go walk to them to get them, or I have days where I won't get up and go walk to them. Either way. So this one, and they're not all the same. What did I say? Did I tell you the price for $49? A lot of storage in these things. So in here, these belonged, this has been passed down to the family. I think it might have been my husband's grandmother who did this, but it might be even older. I don't know. But I have these little crosses that I put in here. And I have these chipboard pieces. These are just little round things that I put in here that I'm not using, have never done. I have never used them, so I need to start. And then I have these buttons. I have these small round pieces of things that have come from different little pieces that I have. So I put those in here, and some little clothespins. So that's what's in that one. And then this one has got some small chipboard, some tiny flowers, some little angels. These are just different little, they almost look like they should be, there's nothing on the back, but you can still use them on scrapbook pages. And then the conversation hearts. And then in this one, I have buttons. And I have more buttons because I want to see how many fit in there. Because these were in a drawer somewhere. And I haven't used buttons, but I intend to. So I'm getting better. I'm making myself use different things, especially if my fingers will pick them up. I don't want it to be too full. But look how many buttons. Look how many buttons. My drawer is getting old. Look how many buttons that will hold. And then they stack up here. Really super nice. The lids are, they're secure. Like I said, it does have just a little bit of a magnet. You can feel it, but it's not going to be heavy enough that you pick all of them up and go necessarily. But it is going to keep it from like tipping over when it's on a shelf or something. So that is a lot of stuff that I have stored in mine. And they're so adorable. I might have to go get more, and they will fit in a drawer if you need them to. But mine is going to live right here in front of me, so I'll know they're there, and I'll make myself use them. Go get you some. Bye, everybody.